Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Microsoft OneDrive from a Windows 10 computer. Before uninstalling it, we'll first save all your documents and files so nothing gets lost. Let's begin. First, go to the search bar and type File Explorer. Once it appears, click to open it. Then click on This PC, open your C drive, select Users, and then open your user account folder by double-clicking it. Inside, look for the OneDrive folder. You may also be able to find it directly, but if not, just follow the path I mentioned. Once you open the OneDrive folder, you will see all your documents and files there. Press Ctrl+A to select everything, then press Ctrl+X to cut the files or Ctrl+C to copy them. If you use Ctrl+X, you can paste them into any location you want and move all your files out of OneDrive. After that, go to the search bar again and type Uninstall. Then open Add or Remove Programs. From the list of installed programs, find Microsoft OneDrive. Click Uninstall, confirm by clicking Yes, and OneDrive will be removed from your computer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.